main features for the Huawei WS318N N300 wireless Wi-Fi router, 2 antennas, the optimization of 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band, a 2 dBi antennas. When you come to say optimization, what I'm trying to say is that Huawei WS318N router connects your device to Wi-Fi's and channels with the strongest signal, avoiding the network congestion and providing high rate for you. 2 dBi antennas, what does it mean? A wireless signal in different positions of your place is precisely calculated and responsibly distributed, covering larger areas and streaming to more devices at the same time. Go through wall. Well, the innovative LDPC algorithm improves the wall through speed, which increases the probability of you in a longer range. A Wi-Fi high link app is easily accessible and manages the router on your iOS and Android devices. I would prefer you go for the 2.4 GHz even though there is a 5 GHz band at this amazing price range. The link is going to be linked in the description below, so don't forget to actually check it out. Till then, take care.